Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? BLBD, guys. You know, it's not so much what makes this trade great, but again, it's my new, and maybe who knows, my historically new and going forward, maybe for the rest of my trading career, scan the abnormal option activity plus the 10-day daily breakout, Pepe, because Pepe actually put this together in our room. We had the individual scans and he was able to combine them. Now, as I say in the room, not, just because you get an alert doesn't mean you absolutely pile into the trade. I can tell you though that this one worked, this one worked, this one worked, and this one worked. Okay, almost right from the beginning. I want to show you though the BLBD because we had the alert right here. This is to go long. And the alert was at 24.55. Now this actually was an earnings play too. I didn't realize it when I took this trade, but before it pulled back at all, it went from 24.55 all the way up to almost 26. So there's almost a $1.50 move, okay, in a very short period of time, and then it had to pull back. Now I was mentioning in the room, at that time the VWAP was right around here, right around that 24.60 mark, and I said, you know what? You can always put or reset the alert. The original alert from this was at 24.50, 24.55. Could have reset the alert right around that area, which was the VWAP area, reset it as it moved back down, and then if it triggered it, listen, no, nobody knew it was going to do exactly this, but this actually turned into a better trade than the one I did. I mean, look what it did. It went from that original alert from 24.55 before it pulled back at all the way up to $27. And it's pulling back a little bit now. So as I've tried to explain to people, you can use the alerts like a watch list. If you miss it the first time, maybe you set a price alert at maybe a VWAP or a moving average that you like to see it pull back to, or maybe right at the original alert price. And there could be different ways to trade those alerts all day long. And I'm loving it. Okay, guys, when I get back into the room, I'll have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.